Hello and welcome to Maths with Udom. I remain your online mathematics tutor, Mr. Okon Udom. This YouTube channel is purely based in explaining different topics in mathematics and also solving different problems under each topic. Today we are going to continue with our class. The topic we have today is decimal fractions that cannot be reduced to their lowest terms. Decimal fractions that cannot be reduced to their lowest terms. So let's start. Okay. So decimal fractions that cannot be reduced to their lowest terms. Okay. When we talk about decimal fraction that cannot be reduced to their lowest terms, such fractions they end with 1, 3, 7, and 9. You can see that it entails the odd numbers except 5, because 5 can go through the numerator and denominator. Okay. And when we talk about decimal fraction that cannot be reduced to their lowest terms, they are fractions that have no common factor in them. That is, the numerator and denominator, we have nothing common that can divide through them. So decimal fractions that cannot be reduced to their lowest term, they end with 1, 3, 7, and 9. 5 is not part of them. So let's have examples of such fraction. Examples of such fractions that cannot be reduced to their lowest term. Decimal fractions. Okay. Let's have number 1, 0.21. Number 2, let's have 4.263. Number 3, let's have 82.947. And lastly, number 4, let's have 926.339. Let's add these examples. So let's start with the first example. Solution. Okay, solution. Sorry for that. So number 1, what do we have? We have 0.21. If you want to rewrite this, okay, 0 is the characteristics, while 21 is what? Is the mantissa. So we write the mantissa, which is what? 21. That's 21 divided by what? We are going to divide this number. So let's go from the front of 1. Let's go 1, 2. We stop at where you have what? The decimal point. So we have 2 zeros. So we are dividing this number by 100. If you check this number, 21 divided by 100, nothing can go through the numbers. There's no common factors. Okay? So it means we leave it this way. Number 2, we have 4.263. This can be written as, of course, 4 is the characteristics, while 263 is the what? Mantissa. So how do you write this? You write 4 2 63 divided by what? So let's go. We have 1, 2, 3. You stop at where you have the decimal points. So how many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3. So you divide by what? By 1000. If you check this fraction, you will discover that it's a proper fraction. Okay? But they have no common what? Common factor. No number can divide through them. So you leave the number the way it is. Okay? Number 3, we have 82.947. How do you write this? You write 82947 divided by what? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I divide the number by 1000. And if you check through, you discover that they have no common factor. Nothing can divide through the numerator and denominator. So you leave this number the way it is. Then lastly, number 4. What do we have there? 926.339. How do you write this? You write 926.339 divided by what? Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. You divide that number also by 1000. Okay? So if you check through these numbers, you will discover that they have no common factors in them. So when we talk about decimal fractions that have that cannot be reduced to their lowest terms, they are numbers that ends with all the odd numbers except 5, because 5 can go through can divide through the denominator. Okay? I want to give you an assignment. The assignment is that you are going to write 10 examples of decimal fractions that cannot be reduced to their lowest terms. You write it, submit it to your teachers for appropriate marking and corrections, and by so doing you get better by the day. Okay? Before I go, I want to tell you to like this video, drop your comment in the comment section, share this video to all your friends all over the world, and most importantly, click on the subscribe button. Okay? Remember, the best way to know mathematics and to become mathematics guru is to keep on solving mathematics so that you become what? Better by the day. Until I come your way again next time, I am saying to you, my name still remains Mr. Udom, and I'm saying to you, remain mathematically sound. See you in my next video. Bye for now.